So let's start to look how we can use the if and the Vlookup in combination. So what we're going to do here is the following. We have here, for example, a quantity, and this quantity will give us a discount if we hit a quantity of 10 items of any of these products. So you can see here we have the different type of fruits, and if there's anything below 10 quantity, we get no discount, and else we get a special wholesale discount. So what we need here is the Vlookup and the if statement in combination. And luckily, it's quite straightforward once you understand how. So the Vlookup will look for the row number matching with the fruit name that we're going to put in here. We put in a quantity, and then we have to make sure we can calculate the discount percentage. So let's start to work on this. So we're going to say here, let's say kiwi. I'm going to grab the kiwi, and we're going to get 10 items of it. So we're going to do now the Vlookup, so we can get the row number. So what we're going to do here, Vlookup, I'm going to select here the formula builder, and then you can see here the lookup value. In this case, the lookup value is the kiwi. Then here we'll have the table array. The table array is this array here. We're going to get the data from. Next, we're going to get the column index number, and the column index number will be either 0 or the discounted rate. For now, I'm going to hard code this with number 3 because I want to have the third column, because this is column 1, this is column 2, and this is column 3. So we're going to get column number 3 hard coded for now. Then the range lookup we'll set on false because I want an exact match. Click on done, and you can see here we are getting a nice discount of 3%. But if I put in 9, this is not related with it, or it will not recalculate the item. So if I open up the tab, the formula builder tab, I can say here number 2 and then done, then it will change. But as you can see here, this here 2 or 3 must be dynamic. For that we have the if statement here, which gives us the access to play around with the column numbers. So what I'm going to do here is create an if statement, and this if statement will state the following. If the value I put in here is smaller than the value quantity for the discount required, then I want to get always column number 2. Else, if it is bigger, we should get a discount, and then we get column number 3. Close this, enter. And as you can see here right now, it says number 2, which is correct. If I make this 11, we get here number 3. So what we want to do now is this logic implemented in our function here. So what I'm going to do is going to grab this if statement, but I will exclude the equal sign. So then I'm going here, click again on the button here, and we're going to soft code this by pasting the if statement within the column number to make this dynamic. Make sure you don't add up a equal sign. So once we did this, click on done, and now we have that. Let's confirm this by changing it to 9. Now you can see it jumps to 0%. If I select another item, let's say apple, of course this doesn't make any sense yet. This should be apple, and then I'm going to put in here a value of 10. We get a 5% discount. If I put this on 1, we get no discount at all.